Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about the passing of private flood insurance for government loans. We're talking about some things you may want to be cautious about as you look to move to the private market on flood insurance. So today we're talking about some things to be cautious about. One of the things you want to look at is what's called policy language. You want to make sure you're reading that policy, as a lot of private flood insurance companies could exclude a lot of things in their policies. So you want to make sure that you're reading this. You have an agent that's explaining this to you. The next thing you want to look at is, hey, what happens with these rates at renewal? You know, what are we seeing with this particular carrier, what we call long-term rate stability? Are we seeing it where you're going to save $100 this year, but it's going to cost you $2,000 next year? And then when you try to go back to the National Flood Insurance Program, you're even in a worse situation? Or maybe you have a 30-day wait in coverage where your bank force places coverage. The next thing you want to be cautious about is there are a lot of non-renewals going on in my area with private flood insurance companies. You know, areas like Houston, areas like New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, areas like parts of Florida after Hurricane Ian. You know, these are things you want to really be cautious about before just going ahead and jump into private flood insurance. You want to work with a flood insurance agency that really specializes in this and can help you understand these things. So if you're ready to take the next step, so looking at private flood insurance and looking and taking your time, being cautious here, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can take the next steps of purchasing flood insurance the right way. Step 1, fill out the simple form. Step 2, receive customized flood insurance proposals from us. And step 3 is pick the plan that best fits your needs. Thank you.